But what about the mother herself? So when a woman is laboring, she's going to want to make sounds. This is a good thing. This helps open her up to being able to birth her baby. But the sounds can be helpful or detracting. So when you're trying to get into a relaxed, comfortable state where you can birth a baby, you want low, deep sounds that vibrate from the inside out. So she needs to growl. She needs to groan. She does not need to screech. Screeching is a high pitched sound. Yelling with a high pitched sound is agitating, stimulating. It's the opposite of what we want for a birth